This is a guide to updating your HiHello digital business card. If you are a member of a business or enterprise subscription, you may need to contact your account administrators about updating your card. To edit your card, start by going to the Cards page and selecting the card you want to change. Then click Edit. You'll see 4 tabs where you can update various elements on your card. First, the Display tab is where you can change how your card looks. Some of the elements on this tab may only be available for premium subscribers. If you'd like to find out more about using custom colors, profile videos, fonts, and badges, you can go to our website and read more about our HiHello Professional and HiHello Business subscriptions. On any field where you would like to add an image, click the plus button, upload the image you would like to use, and then add it to your card. On the Information tab, you can change your personal and professional information, including your name, job title, company, and more. On the Fields tab, you can add many more fields, including your phone number, website, email, and social media links. You can either search for a field or scroll down to see all of the options. Let's add a website. In the top bar, add the URL that you would like to include on your card. If you leave the bottom bar blank, it will include the URL, but you have the option to add a display text. Lastly, on the Card tab, you can update the name that you use internally to identify your card. This is not visible to anyone who receives your digital business card as a contact. When you're finished making changes, click Save to instantly update your digital business card.